I have a Jeep Wrangler here. This one got drugged down the side, down low, all the way across here. I have a Jeep Wrangler here. This one got drugged down the side. It's getting a new fender. Both doors are getting repaired. Then the majority of the damage is down low, all the way across here. So this one's actually going to get a B-pillar section, which I have right here. Then once this is cut off and out of the way, I'll be able to get back behind this section here and this front section, and I should be able to repair both of those pieces once this is cut off. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this and get this B-pillar cut off. I'm gonna go ahead and fit this B-pillar skin on. I know I still have work to do up there, but I want to see how it lines up in the back. And it looks like it's nice and flush. It lines up very nice. So this is in good shape. There's just a few holes I need to weld up. The front, on the other hand, still has some work to be done. So I'm gonna start working on that now. So I welded a tab on the front edge here in order to bring that out a little bit. So I have this one all fit together, and my doors line up nice and even with good gaps. Fender lines up nice as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lift these doors back off, cover everything up, and get this B-pillar all welded in, and then I will finish up my work on these other two sections. And then whenever that's all done, I have these two doors to repair across the bottom, a little bit there, across the bottom of this one.